All right, we're gonna show you what 10 different campsites
in Oregon, Nevada, and Utah.
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
Look at how dirty it is under here.
Yeah, all that. And then just in the truck, dirt everywhere.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are here in the Alvord Desert. We finally made it.
Our last video
It's
forever.
the final. Shh, don't say that.
For a long time.
It's the final leg of this like 16-day journey we have been on. We drove about 350 miles from the Bonneville Salt Flats today.
Yep, we're about 2,700 total.
Yeah, something like that.
27 something.
So we've got kind of a little pissy front coming through, some wind, some rain.
You know, usual Alvord. So we're gonna wait a little bit and then get set up like we do.
Yep.
Oh, so much dirt. Ah! All right, we're gonna show you what 10 different campsites
in Oregon, Nevada, and Utah.
Yeah, this is what it looks like. You can get a sense of it right over here.
Oh, under here too. Look at.
And then just in the truck, dirt everywhere. Over here too. Look at all that. Then our suitcases. getting real low. You know what that means. What are we having for dinner?
We are doing Crunchwraps.
Don't break it, don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. What'd you say?
So take that, Taco Bell. Oh, come on, come on.
One more.
No! Uh-oh, some of your tomatoes aren't going to make it.
It'll work. Just say it'll work.
It'll work.
Oh, we're doing it twice. We're doing it double.
We're going double.
Double action. Oh.
Oh, you're going to have to light that for me.
Uh-oh. Can't see that? There's another one. There you go. Even in a windstorm, it was amazing. Last dinner. But don't worry, there's another video coming next month. Wow, next Friday.
Next week.
Jesus Christ. There's the little culprit right there. He's moving across that way. So after that, he's done. I think we're gonna be clear. Oh man. It's a nice fire, Larry.
Yeah.
For now. Oh, we're going to bed. Glorious night. Mm-hmm. The stars are okay.
Yeah.
Moon, clouds.
We had a kid on a bicycle scare the crap out of us earlier. Rode up from like, I don't know, a couple miles.
A couple miles from a light that way.
It's like,
okay.
Okay. He just like rode around us and then he took off. We're like, what the heck has happened?
I taught him which planets are which. I'm like, oh, that's Venus right there. And then Jupiter. He's like, oh, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Well, see you later. Okay.
And killer crickets. All right.
We've seen worse. Believe me.
Yeah.
Believe me. Like I'm telling you that. Jeez, whatever. At least there's no desert night snakes out here.
At least there's no rattlesnakes.
Anyways,
There's that.
We're gonna go up there and sleep.
Yes.
And we'll pick it up in the morning.
Yep. See you in the AM.
Peace.
morning. Early morning.
Yeah, yep. We woke up pretty much before the sun came up.
Yeah, we were up at like 5:30, and Brian got up to start the morning time lapse for
And we're like,
do we just pack up and go now? Because we have a long haul home this morning.
because we'd fall asleep and wake up about 8:30. And we got a 9-hour drive home. Or
And
is it
we'd
8?
leave till noon.
Yeah.
Probably 9 after all the stops, so.
Yep, but what a great trip. Alvord Desert, amazing.
Never disappoints.
Yeah, come out here. Just beware of the elements and elements, and pack accordingly, water, all that stuff.
Shade.
Yeah, if you're in summertime and
BYOS.
But
Bring your own shade.
yeah, it gets cold out here in the winter
Yes.
too. So yeah, but
Yeah.
that's it. Our Southwest road trip is done.
Yep.
Go back and watch all those videos. I'll probably put them in like a playlist, probably. I will. Yeah, I'll do it. So.
What was it, like 17 days on the road, 16 days on the road?
Something like that. I think this is day 17.
Yeah, pretty epic.
Pretty dirty.
Oh, we're really dirty.
Everything's just dirt.
Yes.
Can't wait to get home and pressure wash everything.
And ourselves too.
Yep. But next time you see us, we'll probably be out in the forest,
Yay!
mountains, and yeah, take it from there like we always do.
All right. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We have a video every Friday. Check out our merch store on YouTube, Explore Camper Peak Gear, and yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Stop. 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 Just go in the hole. Just quit monkeying around, monkey. Oh, I almost had it. Oh.
Right.
Wow. Wow.
So full.
Wow. 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 Even the moth right there is like, dude, this guy's crazy.
Oh, that thing's dead. I don't know what happened to it, but it just...
It's still crawling around. Look at it.
No, I moved it. I kicked it.
No, look at it. See?
Oh, that one. I thought you meant this one over here. That one just like dropped by my feet. I was like, okay. Oh, you didn't not get it, dude. You stepped right around it.
Oh, darn it. Go get it. Get the cricket. Get it.
Right here.
Oh, perfect. Look at that.
Look at that. It's like you know what you're doing.
Not really. I don't really care anymore. But what we do care about is going to bed. Wow, segue. That's a horrible segue.
I need that stuff.
Now what are we doing? Just like...
Wow.
Turn it off. Turn this off.